Up guys, so I'm doing this mod where I'm trying to make this whole dash look a lot better, newer, and I have this HUD that I bought. And my plan is to put this right there. So I just removed this, so this is how it goes, and then the clock radio goes in there. I just finished taking it apart. So I already got a radio installed, but I had a dead screen right there. So what I was thinking one day, I was like, man, I want it to look better, right? So I ended up purchasing this, and unfortunately it was actually about the fit of this part right here. So I already kind of tested it. So what I'm gonna do, okay, so there are 4 bolts that are holding, let me put the flashlight. So there are 4 bolts that are holding the screen, and I just took them out. It's 1, 2 here, and then 3 and 4. So we're gonna take this out, and this one, I see that it's connected there, but it actually doesn't even work. So I don't think we even need it, to be honest. The cable that connects to this HUD connects to the OBD port down there. So what I want to do is I want to throw this cable through here, that way it doesn't show, and then just kind of hide it behind that, and then it's gonna come back in here without showing us the actual like cable and stuff. So let me go and do that, guys, and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I finally fit the cable through here, and then it's gonna plug into the OBD port. I don't know, you guys, yeah, right there, the white one. Okay, so it's plugged in right now, right there. And now, hold on. So now the cable comes back up. Well, I'll secure it later. I'll put some zip ties and stuff, but for now, my goal is to pass it through here. I mean, I think it'll be fine right here, to be honest. I'll just leave the cable right here. Now I'm gonna put the other panel back. Hold on. Okay, so I have the panel back. I actually lost the screws, but the screws that hold this panel, it's only 2. It's one here and one right here. I don't think I'm gonna use it, to be honest. And actually I think I'm gonna cut it, so I'm not gonna secure it right now. I'm gonna cut it because this thing, it's a little bit bigger. So if you guys see the width of the this product is literally the same as the width of the space here. It just needs to be a little bit bigger from here. So that's what I'm gonna cut it, so that way I can make it fit. So I'm using this this saw to cut it. Alright, so this looks much better. Like, it actually looks like it goes in there. Alright, good. So now I'm gonna figure out a way to secure it, that way it won't move. I just bought this, it's called Magic Mount. So pretty much Magic Mount, you stick something to like the cell phone or whatever, and it's like a metal, and then this part is magnetic, so it will stick to this part. So right now what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna put this Magic Mount like in the whole mount here. Okay, so I have my mount attached, and now hopefully seems pretty secure. Okay, so I'm so mad because it looks like this little thing didn't stick to the back of the mount, so I'm just gonna take that out. Okay, so since I didn't do the little one, I just put this new one that came with the mount that I bought at Walmart. So let's see if this one works. Hopefully, it seems like it's pretty strong. So okay guys, so that's the final product. It seems like everything worked. So if you guys look around, it looks really nice at night. So if you guys want me to make a video about this device in general, I can. It tells you like the speedometer, another reason why I bought this actually was for the voltage, because I added the what you call it, the radio and the subwoofer. So I wanted to make sure I wasn't like killing my battery, because the other day my car actually didn't want to start. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, definitely looks like it belongs there. And then everything works like so what this device is pretty much it goes connected to the OBD2 port, like I said, and pretty much is reading what the computer is reading. It also has other settings. Hold on. Wait, oh shit, that was the middle one. So you got that. Is that the one that I just had? It freezes sometimes with I don't know, one of these settings. It freezes. I think it's this one actually. And then right here too, you can change to different ones. Same thing, it tells you like engine load and all that stuff. If you had a turbo. I don't have a turbo. That's the GPS. It's got a 0 to 60 if you want the 0 to 60. Brake test, and yeah, that's it. So if you guys look at it from around, this is how it looks from the back. And then when you guys look at the, you know, I had different ideas. So I originally bought this rear view camera, and this was the very first thing that I had in mind to put there. But then I was like, nah, it's just gonna be a camera, and I don't like this one because I wish it would stay on, but it doesn't. It turns off like after 30, 60 or 90 seconds. So it's pretty much like having a dead screen too. So that I'm gonna put it like somewhere down here, or hide it somewhere. Only use it when I want to use it, or maybe I'll modify like right here, put it like down there. But yeah, like my main goal is like to put something there that looks really cool at night. And yeah, it does, to be honest. It looks like it belongs there. It matches with the radio. And like right here, you can't really see that there's nothing behind there. because right there is empty. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys an idea. This comes with the maps because of the Android Auto, so no need for maps anymore because I have it here. And then there, like I said, I didn't want that, so I was on Amazon, and like I kind of already knew the size that I needed there. I didn't like the idea of having a 10-inch screen because it's just too big. So I was like, man, I gotta find something. And then magically, like that just like fit so good.